Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add content to your watchlist on Disney Plus application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your homepage and select the movie or the series that you would like to add to your watch list. In the middle of the screen you can find this plus icon, so click on it, and thereby you have added this movie to your watch list. You can have a look at the watch list by clicking on your avatar picture down below. Click on watch list. And now the films or series that you have added to your watch list appear in this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.